Hey everybody, how we doing today? Today's Friday, September 26th. Let's go over today's market movement and the recap. Just letting y'all know today I also did not take a trade. I know recently I haven't been taking any trades or yeah. Um Honestly, these past couple of days I haven't really been taking trades only because I haven't fucking oh hold on, what the hell? I haven't oh shit. I haven't found my complete setup. And why is this shit tripping? Hold on, give me a second. No way. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, but now it wants to work. What the fuck? Alright, then whatever. Then we'll deal with it for now. Alright, anyways. Going into the day. Wait. Oh shit, my fault, guys. My fault, my fault. Alright, going into the day. At 9:30 open, which was right here, I think. Oh shit, no, it was right here. Alright, going 9:30 open. Oh shit. Well, let me fucking go to the 4 hour first before. All right. What's it called? Where were we at? We were okay. Originally, we were respecting this 4 hour, right? This gap. That's why I had a bearish bias. Like the retracement up yesterday, and then the retracement down, which would have been, or the retracement up, and then the displacement to the downside again would have been more ideal. That's why my targets were aiming lower, but it just didn't play out the way I wanted. Even though at the beginning of the 5 minute, it sort of played out the way I wanted it to. So as we see, oh shit, as we see, wait, motherfucker, no mames. All right, whatever. 9:30 open. There was a bunch of chop. I'll look once 9:30 open. I already seen there was a bunch of chop. I was like, bro, there's like no reason to fucking actually hold on. I'm losing my train of thought. I just got back from work, just fucking doing everything as quick as I can. But I'm putting I'm putting my time into this video, so let me get my shit straight. But 9:30 open, there was a bunch of chop going on. I was already determined. I'm like, should I even take a trade today or should I not? But I was like, okay, let me stick it out until 8 o'clock, which would be 11 for Eastern Standard Time. Like I said, I'm on the West Coast, so I gotta wake up extra fucking early to trade. Anyways, going to the day, there was this big move down. When I saw this candle, I was expecting more chop just to fucking start chopping over here. Like I was already expecting to stay in between here and in between these highs. Like nowhere else. And that's basically essentially what we were doing. There was not much like movement towards price where like be if I were to explain it like no hold on. There was no really good targets to be targeting unless you just want to fucking just go along with the trend, if that makes sense. I don't know if that's how to word it. Anyways, I know I'm like speaking out of my ass right now, but um damn, this is fucking itchy. All right, anyways, going back into it. I saw market was chopping up, and I saw this displacement down. Right, I saw this fat ass wick right here that also went down. So hopping onto the 1 minute, I went back. Right, I went back. It's right here. This is the displacement. There was no retracement to confirm. What's it called, my entry. Um, there was no retracement to go for me to confirm to go in my entry. So saying that basically I basically need to see this like what market was doing right there, but I need to see this little retracement and then a move back down. And then essentially I would enter right here. Fucking I would essentially enter right here. And then that'll be complete. But also the targets weren't really getting hit. If I'm gonna be honest with you guys, there was no targets getting hit besides these lows. And these lows I'd be what are they, London lows? Let me go and trade them. They're essentially London lows, I think. I think that's what it is, London lows. Let me pop up the chart. It's fucking loading slow. My Wi-Fi's kinda ass right now. Um bear with me. Damn, this shit's looking taking forever. Fuck. Okay, there we go. Damn, empty ass chart, bro. What the fuck? I don't know. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Never mind. Alright. Damn. Alright, bro. Everything's still tripping. Fucking huevos and shit. Damn, bro. No way my Wi-Fi is this ass, bro. Not even gonna lie, bro. And then I also gotta fucking yap to y'all about bullshit right now. Alright. Oh yeah. No. What the fuck? Was it? Oh no, these are the fucking session. 555. Yeah, London or Asia. Was it Asia? Hold on. Five. Today's 26. Yeah, London. Yeah, those were London lows. Yeah, those were London lows. All right, anyways, I already forgot what I was saying about the London lows. Anyways, those were the ideal targets. Because there's no way that fucking oh shit. There's no way price was gonna reach all the way down here. It's like when I saw all the chop like in the beginning before the move down, I was like, "Yep, we're not gonna move very far today." And low key, honestly, if I'm keeping it a buck with y'all, um, I just been being a lot more patient than I was before. Like, what's it called? I wasn't as patient before. Meaning like what's it called? I'll usually enter out of intuition. Like if I think it's gonna form up my
The
setup.
market is closed.
What the fuck? Like I didn't need to fucking know the market's closed, bro. All right. Anyways, um, getting into this again. Um, damn, that shit really fucking fucked me up again. Hold on, give me a second. Damn, I'm a fucking idiot right now. Hold on. Okay. I've been being more patient with my entries and finding my setups. So that's why I haven't been taking trades recently. Well, that many trades recently. I only took one L for the week. I believe so. Let me check again. Uh, check right here. Yeah, cause today I didn't take no trade. Orders. Last order. When the fuck was this? The 23rd. The 23rd was the last time I took a trade, which was like 3 days ago. Like I was just telling you guys. But like I said, I just been being more patient and waiting for my setup. Even though sometimes my setup forms, it forms on the lower time frame. So I'm not really too confident entering on the shorter time frame, even though it's ideal for like finding mm, for ideal for entries. Those are ideal for entries, but for confirmation of my setup on the 5 minute time frame, I'm not really seeing nothing really strong. I'm seeing like let me explain this here. I'm seeing this. Like every time we see the fucking retracement, this is all I see. All I see is fucking candle wick. All I see is a damn wick. Like that really isn't gonna confirm me to that really isn't gonna give me a confirmation that price is definitely gonna go down. Like maybe that's a lack of market experience for me, or maybe something I need to look it more into. But for me, like actually, I don't think that's a retracement. Like even though it'll be on the lower time frame, it won't be something on the higher. Like right here as well. Like these little candles, this is not retracement. This just keeps going down. Like I don't know. It's not really like not giving me the. I'm not really confident entering in those conditions if that makes sense. Like look, it's too small. Like, pause. But like, it's too small for me to fucking enter. Okay. But yeah, like I was saying, that's it for the day. There's nothing much really that I have going on else for you guys. Just let y'all know that I did not take a trade. I'm not doing no dumbass shit no more. But also, I believe so today that I'm gonna start my TikTok posting like just I'm essentially gonna be like, okay, this like what I did here. Like this is the first day of my journey trading. Follow along, follow my YouTube channel so you guys can see my recaps and all that good stuff. And eventually once I get profitable, what's it called? I will start my own Discord only trying to help others, because that's essentially my plan. When I become profitable, I want to help others. I don't want to gatekeep. I don't want to do all that bullshit. Like, I know there's times where there's some people that they say, "Oh, hey, bro, put me on," and I'm like, they're my friends. Like, they asked me to put them on, right? So I sent them the teacher 5 hour video, because, like, bro, that's the easiest explanation into learning the concepts, like the confluences, and like to easily understand them. But that doesn't mean that's gonna work. And after that, what's it called? They think they're set, but there's more to it than just that. Okay, but what's it called? And then I don't see the drive in them. There's not really a drive in teaching those people, teaching them, only because they want to try for a little bit, and if it doesn't work out like this, it doesn't want to fucking they don't want to do it no more. I'm like, all right then, and then that's where, like, look, I might not be profitable, but I have an idea of what I'm doing. Okay, but essentially, I know I'm gonna be profitable. That's just how I think. That's what I know will happen, and that's like the reality of it for me. Like, what's it called, bro? Okay, this is the little rant I was talking about. But okay, anyways, getting back into it. Today I enter work, bro. Motherfucker, bro. Like, fuck. Bro, today was hard, a hard ass day. Like, I just felt annoyed. Like, I felt really fucking annoyed. Like, bro, I'm really gonna go in here in this fucking job getting paid $16.50 for 1 hour of my time, bro. Like, let's be honest, like, bro, like, what the fuck is that? Like, I understand right now you stay low enough and you'll be big enough soon enough. But what's it called? I'm just bringing the point that my time isn't worth 1650. And also that what's it called? That I don't know. I want to. Yeah, bro. I just kind of like fucking lost train of thought. Um, but essentially, I'm not trying to be stuck in a 9 to 5, getting paid minimum wage to be doing like fucking basic shit, bro. Like, I don't know. That thought's been going on in my head all day when I was at work. That shit pissed me the fuck off. I'm like, damn. That shit like low key ruined my mood. Like I also get mad as fuck when I'm broke. I'm like, shit. And then also, what's it called? What's worse sometimes when I take a L on the eval and I go to work, I'm like, bro, that shit actually pissed me the fuck off, bro. Like, actually not gonna lie. But those are just my emotions running through, and like I gotta be able to control them and everything. But that's enough of my rant session. Like, little short rant. Y'all probably don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm just letting it out, just telling y'all. But let's get on back testing. FX replay. We're gonna do this every video, like a couple times. Like, we're gonna replay. Let me fucking. Oh, I was back testing yesterday. Let me fucking delete this session. Yeah. Excuse me. Oh, fuck. Okay, what session do you want to do? Fuck. Alright. Whatever. Thank you. What the fuck? Is that that's 50,000? Hmm. Alright then. Date. Fuck it, we'll do the. Nah, September's price actually been some hot shit. 2023. Fuck it. 2023. Fuck it. We'll leave it long enough to where we could do all this shit. We'll go January. Fuck it, 31st. January 31st, 2023 to December of that fucking December 1st. Alright, bet. My fault you guys are coming over here, like, doing this whole bullshit with me. Like, I forgot to do it earlier. I forgot to do it yesterday, but we're doing it now, regardless. But getting back into it, what's it called? So my settings are already set up. So next day open. Look at the 4 hour. Damn, what the fuck? Nas price was like actually low as fuck. Now it's like double. It's actually double this price. Like hold on. Yeah, it's actually double. Increased over 50% or 100% in 2 years. It's crazy. Alright, anyways. Essentially we're not really respecting the gap, bro. Essentially we're not really respecting a gap. There's no gap to go based off of besides this one that's going on right here. So if we respect the gap, it'll be this one regardless. If we don't, then we don't really have a bias. Fuck. There's not really a bias or what the fuck. Damn, I'm fucking tired. All right, whatever. Um, there's not really a fucking confirmation like saying there's not a confirmation gap telling me where the price most likely will go. So I'm gonna go based off this one. We'll see how it is. Gonna mark out our uh, I'm gonna mark out the liquidity where I believe price is gonna go. Looking at it, price is mostly bullish. There's stronger candles up here, so we're aiming up. This essentially is gonna be my target. I don't think there was any more highs. Fuck, there is more highs. Alright, I'm gonna just mark these two. Let me hop on the hourly, maybe find more targets. Oh, this is also target. Alright, bet. Yeah, that's it. I'll keep those three targets. It's not a big deal. Alright, for sure. Going on to the 5 minute. Let me get this shit out of here. We're just gonna do one quick one, just so I could see if I'm following my rules and all that. That's essentially why I keep doing the back testing, so I could keep seeing my setup play out, and it's just being able to do it consistently. Because there's one thing if you could do it once, but to be able to do it multiple times, that's when it's value. Okay, so like if I pass a when I pass a prop firm account or whatever the challenge, if I could pass it once, I could do it more than once. Whatever I did to pass it, that's what I gotta do again to pass the next ones. That's basically how it goes. All right, so going to the day, there's a lot of fucking chop. Damn, there's a lot of chop pre-market. Not gonna lie. Um, Sort of respected that gap, but there's no need to call that a gap. The 15 minute, we're respecting this shit. We are respecting that for sure, but there's a lot of chop. So hopefully waiting for the displacement to the upside. Maybe we sweep these lows real quick. I'm gonna just put a line out there. Just to put it out there. Alright, for sure. Oh shit. Alright. Let's just put a line out there. Maybe we sweep those lows. Dang, dang. What the fuck? What is it? Oh, so what? Damn. Fuck. They're like a fucking FOMC shit. Oh, fuck. Damn. Damn, that's a big ass wig, bro. Not gonna lie to y'all. Okay, there we go. Getting our little reversal. Alright, okay. Strong ass candle. Okay. Fuck. There's a lot of chop. Okay, that's chopping. There's this displacement to the upside. Waiting for a little retracement. And that is not a retracement, bro. Okay. Bam. I don't know how to feel about that one. Alright. Keep going. It's gonna chop. Yep. I would have got fucking stopped out. Hold on. Damn, bro. My fucking targets are high as shit. I'm not even gonna lie. Maybe I also probably need to work on those targets too, cause there's not really nowhere to reach if that makes sense. Like looking at it, there's nowhere to really that we're gonna reach, cause price isn't doing a whole lot of moving, it's doing a whole lot of chopping, right? There's not really any movement. That's what price been doing these past 3 days. Like there's not really no targets to be found. Like especially today, cause look, we're far as fuck, bro. Like if I'm targeting those realistically right here, Okay, but look, going from where prices are right now, bro, that's like 66 points. This is more realistic than it is going up here. But like, bro, I'm having a bullish bias, bro. What the fuck? 100 points, bro. That's a lot. That's a fucking lot. Okay. Anyways, what the fuck? All right, those are my targets up there. I doubt we're gonna reach them today. We're just gonna be chopping a lot here. Seems like that's all we're doing. And I only trade from 9:30 to 11, so like right here, we're gonna end it. Okay. And then there's a displacement down at 11. But I already, like I said, um I would already be out of the trade, like, or out of the chart, because there's no reason for me to trade anywhere after 11. Like, there's no need. We are fucking on a field day today. Damn. All right. So, what targets are we reaching for? Oh, damn. All right. Well, this target is realistic as shit. Okay, that target. This one possibly, but not really. All right, for sure. Let me go to the 1 hour and mark more targets. Actually, that's it, bro. We're like somewhat going towards all time highs and shit. January, not really, but whatever. All right, reaching chart view. Okay, overall bias bullish. There's no reason to freaking go down, bro. These candles are actually iffy, but this is a strong move up. It's a retracement, but that was pre-market, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. Oh, essentially my entry would be here. It'd be right here. Wait, hold on. That's a lot of points to reach. But let's say we're aiming for a 1 to 2. We'll smack the TP for sure. I'm overall bullish, but because of this retracement right here, like, this is fat ass job. We basically filled this fair value gap right here to go higher. I don't, I don't really need more confirmation than that. If it goes up, it will hit my TP, and if it doesn't, too bad. So sad. Shit happens, and all I could do is learn from it. There's no reason to revenge trade. There's just a reason to learn from the trade. Okay, we go. That's crazy. Maybe it didn't do a full retracement. Damn. Oh, fuck. Oh, it actually got bad. Hmm. Basically a 15-minute retracement. Oh, okay. What time is it right here? Oh yeah. Okay. So in this case, this was my fault, like it always is. But what's it called? I was not patient enough. I was not um I was not patient enough to find the perfect setup. Like, yes, I entered there. I got stopped out very quick, as you guys saw. But it is what it is, you know. What I could do better, honestly, just be more patient. But looking at it, there's not much I could really do, you know? Like, that was essentially a retracement, but it wasn't the best retracement to enter off of, if that makes sense. So maybe I gotta focus on my entries on the retracements, find the best ones possible. So I'm gonna keep looking for I'm gonna keep backtesting, but I'm gonna just look for better entries, better setups, and if I have to be more patient, then I'll just be more patient, and that's just how it is. And sooner or later, I'm gonna build my confidence more, and then I'll be taking more trades. So yeah, all right. Anyways, guys, that's enough of this video. I know this is one of the longer videos, but thank you all for sticking along. What's it called? If you guys want to follow along with my journey, subscribe, like the video, and yeah, guys, peace.